The vehicle's interactive side panel allows the following features to be launched, displayed, or controlled independently alongside the touchscreen's main view. To launch a feature, touch the center of the panel. The media panel displays the currently selected media source. To pause or play tracks, touch the play icon. Channels or stations can also be changed using the forward or back arrows. The sound can be muted by selecting the mute icon. The phone panel will allow you to select and dial a contact from a list of your recent calls. To do this, touch the recent call icon and swipe the screen in the relevant direction. Touch the desired contact to make your call. You can mute the microphone by touching the mute icon. To end a call, press the end call icon. When two calls are in progress, touch the swap call icon to swap between connected calls. The navigation panel displays your current location. If you would like to set a destination using the search method, touch the Set Destination shortcut. Your set destination will then be displayed, with the distance left to travel and an estimated time of arrival. The route guidance can be cancelled by touching the Cancel Guidance icon. The weather panel displays your current location's weather, temperature, and the daily estimated high and low temperatures. You can also view the weather at your destination and favourite weather locations. To do this, select the left or right arrows, or swipe the panel left or right. The news panel displays the headlines and allows news stories to be read out. To do this, scroll through the list of news stories using the left and right arrows. Touch the play icon to start playback. Touch again to stop playback. To change the news topic, touch the topic title. Swipe the screen to scroll through the list and select your chosen topic. The news provider can also be changed. To do this, use the left and right arrows. The weather and news panels are features that utilize InControl Pro services. InControl Pro services require a suitable data-enabled micro SIM to be fitted to the vehicle. The SIM slot can be found in the USB panel located in the center console cubby box. For further information about this feature, or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your Jaguar Land Rover retailer, who will be more than happy to assist you.